Bitcoin just reached the first statistical target we outlined in January, right on schedule. But is this just the beginning of a deeper decline, or will Bitcoin find support and stage a comeback? In this video, we'll break down February bearish closure signals, a warning for the months ahead, Elliott Waves and technical analysis, tracking Bitcoin's next move, key support and resistance levels, where does Bitcoin go from here? Bitcoin is at the crossroads. Will it recover or plunge further? Stay ahead with expert market insights and precise forecasts. Subscribe now and let's dive into the charts. This is our statistical call that we made at the early February. What we say that Bitcoin formed a bearish MACD cross early in February, and right now it is on the way down. What we are talking about is that this cross is very similar to what Bitcoin made in early 2021, in March, April 2021. And this was, for those who were with us at the time, in April 2021, we made a big call when Bitcoin was about 60, and we said that it's going to go toward 30, and this was exactly what happened. So right now we are seeing the possibility, very good potential for Bitcoin to go down there. What we can see that we outlined this statistical area from 16 to 86 with the most probable average target between 55 and 48. So far, Bitcoin hit 86, minimally the target. We will see how it develops, but right now let's evaluate other information. So what you're seeing here, Bitcoin made two big red moves on the daily frame, and today it had a chance to move lower. So it pulled back for now, but there are still 8 hours to go. If Bitcoin loses a little bit, then it might form three black crowns here. On a 3-day frame, it is definitely a bearish candle formation and a loss of major support here. On the monthly frame, which we also track with 2 days and 9 hours remaining, so far Bitcoin is on track for bearish engulfing. We'll see how it develops. If it happens, then it would have a great technical support from multiple technical indicators that we track. Now let's have a look at Elliott Waves. So this is our chart that we shared back in December, saying that Bitcoin is topping right now and it will go down. This was our perspective, and we are considering that Bitcoin formed a huge wave, that it started back in November 2022, and now it is complete with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves. Now the most typical retrace for this wave would be between 50 and 62%. This is the area that we outline. However, if we consider this as a wave 2 can go lower up to 35 at this point. But we are not looking at this. We don't have this that much information. And if you think that we are only making bearish calls, that's not true. Some members said, oh, you're doing only bearish calls. No, we are not. So this is our call for Bitcoin in July 2024, when Bitcoin was 62. We said that Bitcoin is going to 76 to 89, potentially to 96. Well, it even overshoot this target. So technically those who were with us at the time made almost 100% on Bitcoin. Well, that's the perspective, three different perspectives: statistical, technical, Elliott Waves, and candlestick. And now, in the end of this quick video, I would like to discuss the other coins. So what they are tracking, how they're about to close in the months in February. So Bitcoin, we already discussed this potential for bearish engulfing. Doji, it could be bearish, could be bullish, depending on exact level and a few other factors. Theta is very close to forming a big tower top, potentially double top here. XRP is bearish with a dark cloud cover. If it pushes a little lower, it will be bearish engulfing. BNB is very close to confirming a reversal on the monthly frame. Ethereum is not looking good at this moment. It's potentially forming double top and could close below the neckline, which would be a big mistake. And DOT for now and ADA, they're somewhat bullish, bearish, so somewhat neutral. We need to see an exact closure on them. So that's the perspective. That's the quick update on Bitcoin. So this is our main trading chart right now, statistical one. We'll see how it develops in the next couple of days. And from the perspective of candles, the monthly closure would be pivotal. Thank you very much for watching and happy trading, everyone.